Hey everybody, Dean Searles here. On today's episode of 60 Seconds with ARC, the challenge is locating equipment, and the solution is coming up next. Locating a piece of equipment in a large building or on a campus can be a big challenge. This is especially true if the technician is unfamiliar with the building or filling in for someone who's on vacation. And in the case of an emergency, delays could increase the risk for damage and life safety. There's a better way, and it's as easy as using your favorite search engine. Let me show you how we do it. Start by launching the ARC Facilities app. Tap into the search bar and begin typing. Tap the piece of equipment you're looking for. Tap on the location field and then the map. The map shows you exactly where the equipment is located, and you're on your way. Hey, now that you've seen how easy it is to locate equipment on a map, you might want to try it for yourself. You can download the app and learn more at arcfacilities.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.